May mga tao na nakaranas ng kapighatian sa buhay and they turned out to be bitter. Meron din naman mga tao na nakaranas ng kapighatian din naman, but they turned out to be the better versions of themselves. Hindi sila naging bitter. Naging better sila. Best even. Now, seeing these realities sa buhay ng tao, I concluded that whatever happens, whether we experience happiness, success, trials, problems, no, how we turn out to be sa pagkatao natin is still up to us. Kasi life is full of choices eh. The moment we can decide for ourselves, no, God is honoring that free will. He leaves the decision to our hands. No? Hindi niya pinapakilaman yun. So, how we choose to end up sa pagkatao natin is still up to us. Whether or not we experience the good and the bad. I remember this verse, Deuteronomy. Ang sabi doon, today I give you the decision to choose between life and death. To choose between blessings and curses. So, ang sinasabi doon ni God, kinakausap ng mga tao, sabi niya, I'm leaving it up to you na if you want to obey, if you want to be blessed, if you want to be cursed, no? Parang ganun yung sinasabi niya, I'm leaving the decision to you. No, I'm honoring this free will if you want to obey me or not. If you want to end up like this, no? I hope that whatever life gives us, whatever God allows us to go through, we still choose to end up being the better versions of ourselves, no? And like I always say, it's easier said than done, and we are all in the process. But I really hope that you stand in your faith and always cling to God's promises. Because how we end up, how this heart turns out, a huge part of it is still up to us. Utusan natin to na piliin na maging better kesa bitter. So yun lang, if you like my content, please hit follow or subscribe. Ako po si El Takashi. Maraming salamat po. God bless.